Today's Wednesday, July 19th, and it's approximately 11 o'clock. But this is a trade review of a position I'm holding involving American Airlines Group. Ticker symbol is AAL. And as of the time of this recording, the stock price is quoted at $18.64. And since trading started this morning, the stock price is down about 7 cents. So this is the chart layout at the 2000 tick level, which means each candlestick represents 2000 trades consisting of both the buy side and sell side. This is the current candlestick right here, which started trading this morning at 10:54, which is about 4 minutes ago. And right down here, there's a little meter, and it's tallied up 691 trades having been executed at this point. So when this meter hits 2000, a new candlestick will be created. Also, what I've done is I've identified the current market structure, in the short term anyway, to be inside this channel, where the upper purple band is acting as resistance, the lower purple band is acting as support, and this gray center line is acting as both support and resistance. And from my perspective, as price is heading towards the retest of the lower purple band, I'm anticipating that the overall trend will be broken and that prices will begin to fade to the downside, breaking this market structure, as price will possibly come down and retest 1793 over the next few days. So with all of that said, also in addition to this channel, I did overlay the Fibonacci retracement using two specific anchor points, one being the high of 1920 and the low was somewhere around 16 and change, I forgot what. But it's identified the next Fibonacci support resistance level of 78.6% to be pegged at $17.79. So if my assessment is correct and price is starting to break down, then I'm looking at $17.79. However, my overall assessment is that price is going to come a little lower than that. So I have a open order right here to close out the position if or when price hits this price level. And I'll get into that in a little bit. And this is another open order to limit my loss in the event my assessment is incorrect and price continues trending higher. If or when price does break above this threshold, then the order is to close out the position, limiting my loss. So as this trade is progressing, what I'll do is I'll open up Active Trader, and you can see that the overall P&L is reflecting a positive balance now of $3. Here's my entry price of $18.57, which is what I marked up right here, but it rounded up to 58 cents. And the number of shares I shorted is right here, 200 shares. So this is a small position. If I open this up, it's 1850. I'm going to say 1858 times 200 shares. This is a $3,700 position for a short-term swing trade. I'll be holding for about maybe 3-4 days, maybe a week at the most. But again, I'm anticipating this market structure to be broken, and the move will be towards the downside. So that's the current status of this position and the general thesis for my entry. For the purpose of time, I'll pause it here, and I'll pick it up in a few hours or a few days. I don't know. So more to follow. So quick update on the American Airlines trade. The stock market's going to open in 2 seconds. So that's the market bell kicking off the trading session, and we can see there was a lot of volatility during the overnight session. Here, this candle broke above my stop, but fortunately, the market wasn't open to fill the order, so the order is still open. And since then, price has spiked down. American Airlines is now quoted at $17.98, as I was anticipating. Pullback, and as of the time of this recording, overall P&L is up $113, of which $120 is just based on this move over the past hour and a half or so before the market opened. So that's the status, and I'll go ahead and pause it again, and I'll pick it up in a few hours. So while I'm here, price is almost, well, there you go. I just got filled. I'm out of the trade. Overall profit is $212. I have a zero position. Unfortunately, I was able to capture the entire drop. This was, I was anticipating yesterday. So good trade. Until the next setup, I'll see you.